Since 1963, ATAS International has been a leading manufacturer of metal wall and roof systems. In this video, we will cover basic installation details pertaining to our Winlock series of profiles being applied over a solid substrate in a horizontal application. There are several items to be aware of prior to beginning the installation of any trims or panels. Make sure the proper weather-resistant barrier, WRB, is installed over the substrate if it is necessary. There are several systems that have a WRB built into them. Proper taping on seams and fasteners is crucial with these assemblies. Please consult proper installation of trims and flashings by the WRB manufacturer. Checking the substrate to determine the levelness is crucial for creating a project. Other means can be used to level, such as laser level or other digital technology. A thorough inspection of the walls should be done before panels are installed, and any issues should be noted to the GC. Construction framing tolerances are different than the tolerances needed for a quality panel installation. For more installation details, please visit www.atas.com.